hoses pulled from here. We were able to get all the way around the house to over there where we started on the front. And yeah, Parker's about to finish this little corner, this little section right here, and then we're gonna hit the brick steps and we're done. We've been here about an hour. I think we've been here an hour and 10 minutes exactly. So, all right. We're just about done. Parker's about to go clean up the other staircase. He just hit these. All we got is those steps left. And then we're out of here.